The Jeep community has a saying. They say, "It's a Jeep thing you wouldn't understand." Here, we decided to change that and create something unique, special, and make it a Haitian thing. In Haiti, our slogan is "United, we are stronger." So, we took that concept and challenged ourselves to conceive and build the CME-Rubicon while staying true to the timeless Jeep design. We began our journey at Caribé Motors, the Jeep dealership in Haiti, where we ordered a stock Rubicon Wrangler. Once received, we started with the performance upgrades, installing a high-flow air intake system matched with a custom 3-inch downpipe and dual exhausts. We also added a full suspension lift to accommodate the 37-inch tires and 18-inch wheels with the proper front and rear differential gears. Not to forget the seamless electric side steps. Now, to enhance its visual appeal, we collaborated with Berman Motors, a local competitor who was just as passionate to be part of this wonderful project. They welcomed us with open arms and gave the CME-Rubicon its signature looks with blue interior dash panels. We wanted for the iconic Jeep lover to see this vehicle, to recognize its special, but not quite be able to say what was modified. This is very difficult to achieve when designing something different, yet keeping it simple, as simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. At the end of the day, we achieved our goal, as anybody who sees this vehicle, whether a Jeep lover or not, will take a closer look and just say, "Wow." Ultimately, the CME-Rubicon showcases what we Haitians are able to achieve when we choose to work together and unleash our true potential within to create simple, sophisticated, and revolutionary innovations.
It's a Haitian thing.